What is print-on-demand coach? That's the question that someone asked me recently. So I thought, let's shoot a video, put it up on my YouTube channel because this is what it is. It's basically me teaching you how to create a print-on-demand t-shirt store on Shopify for $9.99 a month. That's dirt cheap for what you get. I'm going to walk you through everything right now just real quick. So I'm doing something very different in that you can watch me build a store where I'm going to sell print-on-demand t-shirts. You can follow along, ask questions, get support, and you can also build your own right along with me. Now, don't copy mine, but I'll show you how to pick a niche. I'll show you the exact niche. You will see everything. So there's a little video on the page already. You can click that button to join. But the goal is this: launch, grow, and scale a brand new Shopify t-shirt store over the next 12 months and update you every week with what I did. What worked, what didn't work, and what I'm doing next. At the end of 12 to 18 months, I have the option to sell the store, which is my ultimate goal. I want to flip one of these stores instead of just building it and not doing anything with it. So the process is this: I'm going to build it, I'm going to grow it, and I'm going to sell it. Now, why should you join? Well, a couple reasons, but when you work online, you're alone. That means no trips to the water cooler to take a break and chat with your fellow workers. It means no, hey, let's go for lunch with coworkers. Honestly, it's the lonely way to work. I know, as I've been doing this since 2007 full-time online for myself. This is a community. It's a membership. It takes place on a private forum where you can network, vent, get support, and watch me build, grow, and scale, and then sell a Shopify t-shirt store. So I don't really know of any other place online that would even attempt this. Good thing is I'm not normal, as you'll as you'll see as you get to know me inside. I do have a lot of testimonials from a lot of people, but here's the thing too. I'm going to throw in some bonuses for this because I really do want you to join. I want you to see the value. So bonus number one is the private members only forum for support. It's a community. It has updates. That's where they're going to go. There's a general discussion, weekly updates, questions, goals, intros, and then the start here section. Bonus number two, I'm putting in that 36 video print on demand course that I have. So you might have a copy of this already from maybe an ad that I ran that you saw, but it's in there too because it lays a perfect foundation for you. Bonus number three is something I haven't really offered before, but it's an AI t-shirt design workshop. It's an hour long and it's dedicated to teaching you exactly how to use artificial intelligence to create amazing t-shirt designs that you can sell on your own store. So you can use that to create mugs, message cards, whatever you want to do, but I'm going to be using it for t-shirts. Bonus number four, I went and did some research for you, and I found 10 shirts that did $840,000 in sales already. So you get full access to that as well. You'll see the exact designs and exactly what worked. And that bonus just kind of proves to you that this stuff does work. A lot of people are having a lot of success. Bonus number five I put in is a Bing Ads training. Now, Bing is now known as Microsoft Ads, but it's kind of like the forgotten ad platform. There's a reason I'm including it, and it's over 3 hours of training alone. The demographic who uses Bing.com is older, and they have disposable income, and they are passionate about their hobbies and their interests and everything that they do. They'll buy stuff. So that's why I put it in there. A lot of people are ignoring that platform, not you. So you're going to get a lot, basically, as you can see here, for very little. I do offer one-on-one coaching in a VIP program, but it costs a lot more than what I'm charging for this. I want you to become a part of a great community of print-on-demand sellers. You can watch me do all the stuff you're doing. You can cheer me on. You can watch me hit bumps on the road. And most importantly, you can watch how I handle them because it's going to happen. This is not going to be a perfect ride that I'm going on. It's going to be difficult, but I'm willing to do this to show you that it is possible. I know it's weird that someone put the reputation on the line like this, but I'm old. I've been there. I've done that. I have the t-shirt already. I love a challenge, and this community is amazing. I hope you'll join us. There's some frequently asked questions as well. Like this one is one I get a lot. I could just keep this to myself, but I do enjoy a challenge, and I do love helping people. And this is a perfect combination for me. There's more to life than just sitting on your computer running ad campaigns and creating great print-on-demand products to list on your store. The older I get, the less I care about making another 7 figures. I've done this before. So, I mean, you could certainly go to YouTube and learn all this for free, but you can't be part of the community and you're not going to get access to the bonuses if you do that. So what if I fail? That's a good point. There's a chance I could do all this and absolutely fail. However, the real question, a much better one, is what if I succeed? So mindset matters, and it matters the most in any business, but some days are going to stink. Other days you're going to feel invincible. That's the way it goes. And as Wayne Gretzky / Michael Scott from The Office says, you miss 100% of the shots you do not take. So I'm taking my shot here with this membership for you. Now, go look at the page, go read it, click that button to join now. You'll be taken to this order form. Fill that out, click submit, and then you're in. You're into the forums here. You start here. There's a nice little video for you that you can watch, and there's your first task is in there as well. There's also updates that go in here. Now, at this point, there's only 2 updates in there, but every single Friday there's going to be an update posted. So in the first one, I talked about how to pick the best niche. The second one, I actually revealed the niche and the game plan for it, and then I'm just getting started now. So you can get in here. By the time you're watching this video, it might be a little bit different, but these forums are really good too, because it's a nice way to not be distracted with social media, to go here and actually do something with focus, and I think you're going to really like it. I've also got 2 really good moderators in here, Rick and Lucas, who you will meet. They've been with me for years and years and years. Great guys. Combined, we have so much experience in online marketing, making money online, print on demand, you name it, we've done it. So there's me and the 2 moderators as of the shooting of this video that are going to be helping you inside the forums, and that is your private membership where you can get the help and support and be part of a great community of like-minded individuals. So click that button right here to join now, and we will see you in there. Have a great day.